Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Tolu and today I'll be taking you on how to make use of the exercise book in MozaBook. So let's get right into it. So we'll open our MozaBook software by double clicking on it. Now, unlike every other software on the Edtek Interactive Board, we call our writing where where we write and draw and annotate, we call it the whiteboard. But on the MozaBook software, we call it the exercise book. Now, this is the first interface you get into when you open your MozaBook software. Now, it is called the publication page. Now, there are diverse ways of opening or getting your exercise book here on the MozaBook software. You can start by either create new exercise book, or you see this icon up here, the one with the open book and the plus. You can click on it. Once you click on it, then you'll see create new exercise book. When you click on it, this is what you need to create a new exercise book. But I'm not creating it yet because we have another way of creating exercise book. Now you see this pen with the plus. You click on it and you see you can open a new exercise book. So it's either you do it with create new exercise book here. This is it. Or you use this and you click on create new exercise book, or you click on this pen down here and create new exercise book. Now, once you want to create your new exercise book, you can pick your page properties. How do you want your page to look like? Do you want it without any lines, or you want it with lines? Do you want it as a graph sheet? Do you want it as a writing sheet or a music sheet, or do you want it as an handwriting sheet? Anyone, you can just pick it, and you can decide to add a page background. So you can either choose this, pick any page background, or you can decide not to put a page background. So once you decide not to put a page background, just click here. If you decide to put a page background, click on this circle, and once you see a dark dot inside, you've activated page background. But once you click on it and you remove it, it means you do not want page background. Now, I don't want page background. Now, we can do background and colors, meaning you can change the color of your background. So if you look down here and you do not see any color of your choice, you can use this color wheel. So once you click on the color wheel, it brings out different colors. So I can decide to go for yellow. Then I can even pick the shade of yellow I want. So you can just play around this to see what you can do with it. So I've picked this and I'm good to go. I'll click the mark sign and wait for it to load. Now this is our exercise book. So we have different tools, writing tools, and different tools you can use in teaching in the classroom. So for writing, you just click on this pen here, then you can start writing. So today I'll be teaching. So I'll remove this because it's obstructing mathematics. So that will be all for today. In the next class, I will show you how to make use of not just one writing tool, but the other writing tools here on MozaBook. Do have a great day. Thank you.